let's unbox one by one and iti-try din natin siya. Okay, so the first one, we will unbox the Glutathione C Facial Spa Cleanser. Based on the cover, ang main ingredient is glutathione C, which I think is glutathione plus vitamin C because nakita ko rin dito sa mask, ang glutathione plus vitamin C. So, if those are the key ingredients, this is perfect for whitening and brightening your complexion. Actually, ang laking bottle niya. Full size ang binigay. So, the cleanser looks like this. So, we have 300 ml na cleanser and main ingredient is glutathione plus vitamin C. So, let's try it out. So, since this is the cleanser, I'll be back. Here's the cleanser. Hindi ko pala na-record. Oil pala siya. Akala ko soap. So it's an antioxidant deep cleansing oil. So, kaya pala nung pag-squeeze ko, runny yung consistency niya because it's oil. Kasi akala ko soap. Yung amoy niya is citrusy and I think maybe that's because of the vitamin C. Hindi naman siya masyadong makapal. Nasa bahay lang ako the whole day. So, wala. Mild naman siya. Mild siya sa skin. And amoy citrus. Okay, so after ko banlawan yung cleanser, it feels really soft. So, parang ang bouncy din yung skin ko right after mag-cleanser. So, the next step is toner.